Hey, thanks for watching Sailing Abbey. Natasha and I are just departing here in Swartz Bay, make our way northbound through the southern Gulf Islands to Burgoyne Bay off Saltspring Island, and carry on to Ganges. We're having some great weather. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Again, please subscribe, follow us, and follow the ride. We're just about to set sail in Swartz Bay and unfurl the genoa, hoist the main, and take off through Colburn Passage around the south side of Saltspring Island. Okay, here, so I think I found it. I just pulled off the heat exchanger part. I'm looking through. Look at this blockage of calcium deposits here, right there. And then before it goes into the heat exchanger, everything's looking good with the anode actually. So I'm going to clean this out. I'm going to pull out the heat exchanger core as well, which is right there. See that? Clean that up, put it back in, fire this bad boy up, and be back to normal. Okay, so we're gonna get into this a little bit right now. Honey, what did we motor for like 5 minutes, and the heat's pouring out. And so there was a fitting in the heat pump in the back here, right down in there, and that was like 90% clogged with like maybe calcium or something, salt. And so I was getting cold air or cold water through here, but right now it's not. And so this it was almost boiling. So I actually just pulled off at the water pump, pulled this fitting here. You're gonna have to take that off maybe and clean that out, because I can see calcium all inside here. I think that's all calcium right there. Right? We'll clean that out. Okay, so it is time to do a little bit of research here, but this is cold water intake, and it goes into the heat exchanger. This is so hot here, it's ridiculous. So there is a block somewhere, and I'm gonna figure this out. Look at that. See that? How's water supposed to get through there? Look at that, honey.
Oh wow. Yeah. How do you clean it?
I just popped right out. Well, this little project is complete. I can't believe how brutal the pipes were plugged with all that salt accumulating. Anyways, here we go, on to the next problem. So far we just come around the south side of Saltspring Island and we see this beautiful bay just before Sansom Narrows. Sansom Narrows flooding right now and we are doing about 7 knots and we're barely even trying. But these guys here have found an amazing little spot. Anchored for the night, little beach, beautiful. Well, after a few hours of sailing and some engine troubles, we're coming into Burgoyne Bay. And Mount Maxwell is right here, just off of Salt Spring. Pretty famous for its views. Very, very steep. Lots of people hang glide or cliff jump off this and then hang glide. But it's a pretty amazing little spot here on Saltspring Island and the Gulf Islands. Hey, honey? She's just happy. Everything is going well, right?
Yes, other than the engine overheating.
Yeah. And Abigail is stuck playing in my shirt. Oh, she's happy too. This is our spot for the night. Nobody around. Nobody around. The sun will be setting right over top of Cowichan Bay. That is going to be a nice sunset in a few more, maybe an hour, 2 hours at least. Oh yeah, we definitely hooked ground. I got the anchor down at 60 feet. When we touch down, it's at 45 feet. You can tell that we're going backwards now. That's great. Hey honey, that's great. Tough life we have here in southern Gulf Islands. Yeah?
Are you ready for dinner? Are you ready for dinner?
Yeah, totally. We're gonna start. Looks like you got, it smells amazing.
It's gonna be summer salad with chicken. Summer chicken salad. Basically gonna be whatever is on sale at the supermarket. Some local food as much as possible. Because it's strawberry season, you're getting strawberry kale salad.
Nice.
And I'm getting strawberry kale salad.
That's really good.
But you don't like chickpeas, so I'm going to eat them. And then a big, nice, juicy local chicken breast from the local farm. Sea Bluff Farm.
Oh, Sea Bluff.
Yeah.
Right on.
In the children.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, I delayed you for dinner, didn't I?
You did? Why?
I had to fix the engine. It was overheating and overheating and overheating.
And bad. 3 times.
But we fixed it, didn't we?
Yes.
Yeah, you watched me really well.
I watched you really well. I watched you when I nursed our baby. I watched you some more.
Where's Abigail? She's way up here in the V-berth. Passed out. There she is here. Oh, it's Abigail. And that, my friends, is how you eat on a sailboat. Like this.
I went to the dollar store and I bought a brush for the boat, a brush to stay out in my, you know, go away bag, and then deodorant to stay on the boat, deodorant to stay on the go away bag, because I always forget. And toothbrushes for each place too, so then I don't have to worry about. Then I don't have to worry about packing the little things, and they can just stay in their place, because I always end up forgetting them.
We just finished having beautiful breakfast, hey hon?
Yeah, it was good. I'm gonna do some yoga in the sunshine.
Oh, yeah, you are.
See, you love me forever. See that you'll be mine. 'Cause on this day on treasure.
Just starting back to exercising after having a baby. And she's, what, 3 months old yesterday? 12 weeks old yesterday? And I had her C-section, so I feel like I have no core whatsoever. And my lower abdomen muscles are completely gone. So I've been trying to build them back because I like to ride horses and run away from my problems. Just kidding. I'll get there.
Way up, boy?
That is so hard.
Try again.
I feel better when I do this stretch. Then I can put on my thighs and my hips.
All right, so we'll start this up and hopefully we get some good flow. That's what we want to see. Just big pouring, chugging kind of water. There we go. That's it. I'll call that successful. Hey, honey, that's a little work. That's a lot of work. I'm a little tired, sweaty. It's hot out here. Let's go play now. And we're just about to round Southie Point. We were just talking how the funny part about Saltspring Island is they named the most northern part of Saltspring Island Southie Point. These guys trying to figure everything out upside down. hopefully with the wind where it is right now, just on our starboard tack, or on a port tack right now, but on our starboard side, we should have a nice run all the way southbound through the channel toward Ganges Island, Ganges Harbour. Pull it in. Pull. Ah! You can't pull anymore. You're gonna have to winch now. Other way. Okay, put one more wrap on. Got it? I got it. You maneuver, keep going. And stop. Feed it off.
No, I don't want to.
How did it go?
It went pretty smooth. You helped me though. My muscles and my core are not there. Yes. They're getting better though.
Pretty good, not bad.
Pretty fun.
Yeah.
Pretty fun to get back.
Were you nervous?
Back at it a little bit.
Good. Look at the camera.
Being nervous is a good thing. I think when you're cocky. And
Tell me how your day's going.
My day.
Yeah.
It's going pretty good. Abby's napping, and we are just chilling on our way to hopefully Ganges and the government dock for a little walk. A little walk to the pub, or maybe Thrifty's to get a couple steaks to cook.
That'd
be awesome.
Good idea.
Yeah. Even just a little stretch for like 4 nights and see some other people.
Hey, thanks for watching Sailing Abby. We made our way around Saltspring Island into Ganges Harbour and had a beautiful dinner. Feel free to follow us, subscribe. We've got a few other episodes of us and 6 kids sailing to Desolation Sound for 2 weeks and our adventures at the tiny house. Thanks for watching. Follow the ride.